Hello, in this video we intend to fund the FBS Broker account using the cryptocurrency USDT TRC20 method. We enter the account, go to the dashboard section, see the balance, see the account, and select the deposit option.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
In the section for choosing the payment method, we select the USDT TRC20 option. In this section, we write down the first and last name. We do this. Here as well, make a note of this point. It is noted that to prevent the possible freezing of funds by payment service providers, the person must be verified. Do not use regions such as Iran or similar cases, because your funds might get blocked. We write down the first and last names, then select the Get Payment Details option. The minimum deposit is 1 tether. If you deposit less than this amount, your funds will be lost, and you should only make deposits via tether on the TRC20 network. Transactions made with other cryptocurrencies or different networks will not be accepted, and this will result in the loss of your assets, so transfer the amount. You can scan the QR code you see with your wallet or copy the wallet address. Paste it into the Send section of your personal wallet. After you have transferred the amount, select the Done option to confirm that you have made the deposit. You select the Done option. If you navigate over to the Finance section of the application, you will find a comprehensive area located under the Transactions tab, where you can review the complete and detailed history of every single transaction we have made together. You can see that the amount of $20 via USDT TRC20 is in a pending state, and very quickly it was successfully finished, exactly right at this moment. And in the section, you can see in the balance section of the dashboard that the amount has been added to our account. In future videos, we will be with you to discuss other methods of deposit and withdrawal in the FBS Broker. Wishing you success.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.